Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will write the name of this application Calm and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget